Okay guys, so for the last table here for video 5, what we have is that we have the sign for each slack variable for a bunch of points listed in this chart here, and on the graph I want to place the point in the region that it should be in. Okay, so for point E here, it says that I have a positive slack variable for line 1, a positive slack variable for line 2, but a negative slack variable for line 3. And if you remember from video 4, what that means is that I am in fact below line 1 like I am supposed to be. I am below line 2 like I am supposed to be, but I am not below line 3. Alright? There's one region in the whole graph that is like that, and that is right here. Right? So I am below line 1 and line 2, but I do not fall below line 3. That means E has to be somewhere in there. Alright? F here says that I have a negative slack variable for line 1. That means that I am actually above line 1 somewhere because it's not meeting that requirement of being below line 1. Alright? It is 0 for line 2. That means it is on line 2. That means I have, if I am above line 1 and also on line 2, that means that I am in here, right? And then finally here, I have that it is positive for line 3. That means that it is actually below line 3, like it is supposed to be, all right? So I've got above line 1, on line 2, and below line 3. Okay, so anything on here is going to work, right? Above line 1, on line 2, below line 3. So let's say I put F right here. Okay. Well, next we've got G. Positive for line 1, negative for line 2, and positive for line 3. That means that I am above line 2, but I am below lines 1 and 3. Okay, so below line 1 and below line 3, but above line 2, that puts me right here in this triangle. Alright, that is the only place that it could be in, anywhere in that triangle. Okay. And last there we have H. H says 0 for line 1. That means it is actually on line 1. But it is negative for lines 2 and 3. That means that it is above lines 2 and line 3. Okay? That means it is somewhere on this line segment. I'll just put it right here. But I could technically put it anywhere. So hopefully that gives you a little better of an idea of what these slack variables are actually going to mean. Okay? Really what we need to get out of it is that the slack variables, whenever I solve a system, they need to be positive or 0 if it's going to be a feasible solution to the systems in the form that we use, of the form where all of them are less than or equal to whenever I put them into slope and intercept form.